Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix Frigidaire Professional Dishwasher. What is lock error? LOC means the control panel is locked. This is control lock or child lock feature that prevent unintended button press. Unlock the control to clear the LOC error and see your dishwasher. For unlocking child lock, there are four methods. Let's see all methods step by step. Method 1. Control Lock button. Look for the Control Lock button on the panel, press the Hold and Control Lock button 3 to 5 seconds, then the LOC light will turn off and the control will unlock. Method 2. High Temp Sanitize. Press the Hold High Temp wash while holding High Temp, then press and hold Sanitize. Hold both buttons together for 3 to 5 seconds, then LOC light will turn off. Method 3. Normal plus delay button. Press and hold normal wash while holding normal press and hold delay time. Hold both buttons 3 to 5 seconds, then LOC light will turn off. Let's see step 4. Power reset. Press start once, then open the door, turn off the dishwasher at the circuit breaker, then wait at least 1 minute. Then restore power, close the door and chat again. Here are the additional chat. You can also note and see what happened when it's done. Door close, water, child lock and owner manual. And here are the quick reference, control lock, 3 to 5 seconds, high temp and normal day and power reset. You can also note their timing and their button uses. If it is still not working, make sure you are holding the button long enough and try different method. Perform a power reset. If the LOC light will remain, there may be a control board issue. If there are control board issue, you can also simply go to their official website for more customer support and help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.